Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's start talking about some Venn diagrams. And we want to take a look at this particular problem. Sylvia conducted a survey asking 8 of her friends whether they are members of jazz band or orchestra. The display shows results below. Now, in this case, we have Trina, Jerome, Logan, Kylie, and Miguel. They're in jazz band. But by the same token, Natalie, Kylie, Jerome, Melina, and Tyree are part of orchestra. So what we need to do is we need to put people in their own places. So Trina goes in jazz band. Jerome also goes in jazz band, but you'll notice Jerome is in the yellow jazz band circle. But because Jerome is also part of orchestra, he's in the blue orchestra circle. So whereas Trina is over here only, Jerome is in the middle. Now if we have Logan, Logan also is only in jazz band. Miguel is only in jazz band, but Kylie, again, Kylie is going to be in the middle. Now let's go to orchestra. Natalie is in the orchestra. Kylie's in the orchestra, but she's already here in the blue orchestra circle. Jerome is also right there with Kylie. Melina is over here in orchestra, and Tyree is in orchestra. So while Kylie, Jerome, Natalie, Melina, and Tyree are all in orchestra, Trina, Logan, Miguel, Kylie, and Jerome are in jazz band, only this area here with Kylie and Jerome is where they cross over. Now the whole point of a Venn diagram is to ensure that we have a good understanding of the relationship between multiple pieces. So if we were to ask the question, who's in jazz band? Trina, Logan, Miguel, Kylie, Jerome. Who's in orchestra? Natalie, Melina, Tyree, Kylie, Jerome. All of them are in each piece. And we say, but who's in jazz band and orchestra? That would just be Kylie and Jerome. So with that, we can move on to our next example. We take a look down here, we see another Venn diagram. And we see this one has 3 levels. It has fiction, mystery, and nonfiction. And we talk about who likes who and how. Well, if we were to ask the question, who likes fiction, it would be Kyle, Brittany, Ito, Mai, Eva, and Beth, all like fiction. If we wanted to know who liked mystery, it would be Ito, Mai, Eva, Luke, Adam, and Sarah. Also, Mark and Tom like mystery. But if I were asking who likes all types of books, the only answer that could be given is Eva, right there in the middle. If we were looking at who only likes nonfiction but doesn't like anything else, we would be looking at Jessica and Elisa. So, depending on what area of the Venn diagram you're looking at, depends on do they like only this, only that, or do they like 2 things at a time, or is it a case where they like 3 things at a time? So, depends on where you're looking. Okay, let's see if we can make one on our own. In this case, let's talk about the desserts eaten at a birthday party. We have cake and we have ice cream, so I need a circle for cake and a circle for ice cream. Now, if I take and I put each person in their own area, Adelina only goes in the cake. If I take Jen, Jen is also only in cake. But Rashid is both in the cake, but he's in the ice cream. So we're going to put Rashid in the middle. Aisha also just goes up. Aisha is not just in cake, she's in ice cream, so we have to put her in the middle. In this case, Santiago is only in cake. We already know Rashid, we already know Aisha. We put Todd over in ice cream. Rico in ice cream, and Susie in ice cream. So now we've made our own Venn diagram. Hopefully this helps as we go through the homework.